Hello everyone, my name is Parshuram Buddhatoki and I'm your instructor for this course MAC 2311 Calculus 1. Welcome to the course. In this video I'm going to talk to you about how to use your course cell. So let me just close my webcam and go back to your course home. This is your syllabus. So let's start with the course shell. First of all, you have to log in your D2L course account, and then after that you are going to find out this MAC 2311 course. Go to the course content. That's the first thing you have to do. Click it, and then there you can see on the left side so many different information. The first one is module 0 start here page. So click that module, and there is a welcome letter from me. That's me. So read it. It's about the course and myself. And after completing that, just go to the next page by clicking here, and then you will be find out that syllabus. So as you can see here, the first thing first, I do have physical office in South Campus, building 69, room 237. If you want to visit sometime to meet me face to face. And if you don't want that, and sometime you just would like to visit me using the virtual Zoom link, then there is a link, and these are the hours you can use. On Monday and Tuesday I will be available from 8:50 a.m. to 10:50 a.m. Tuesday and Thursday 9:20 a.m. to 12:35 p.m. But make sure that if you are using this Zoom link, you might have to wait some time. If someone is still inside the room, you have to wait. Okay, as long as you click the link, it will give me the notification that you are in the waiting room. And after I'm done with the a student who is already inside the room, I will let you in the room. So that's about the office hour. And this is about the course. Just read the syllabus very carefully. For this course you need a webcam and microphone for taking the proctor exam. For sure, you are taking online course and you need to take the proctor exam, and for that you need internet, computer with the webcam and microphone. So the book we are using for this course is there is a book required, uh, but the hard copy of the textbook is not required. It's optional. uh, but the book we're using is University Calculus Early Transcendental by Haas, Hell, and Bogacki. So whenever you sign up for this course, there is a link for the MyLab, and whenever you click that link, it will take you to the MyLab Math, and then you need to sign up for the MyLab Math. You need to do all the homeworks and assignments using the MyLab Math, and in that there will be the e-text available. So I don't need hard copy, but e-text will be available after you sign up for the MyLab Math through the D2L. So you don't sign up for the MyLab Math outside, you just go through the D2L. I'm going to show you how. Okay, and some more information here. So read the syllabus very carefully, and the rules and regulations, and these are the different kind of assignments you are going to take in the course. uh, Discussion, there will be 3 discussion. You have to do it in D2L, and you also have to answer the question, respond to your one of your course mate post. And there are the rules. Just read the discussion. Whenever you do the discussion, it will give you the information. There are 4 interactive scenario you are going to do here. You are going to see a scenario, and after reading the scenario you have to answer the question you have asked. There are 4 scenario worth 15 points each. You have to do the MyLab Math prep assignments. These assignments will help you to preparation for the course. In this prep assignment, you need to read the book you have assigned, you need to watch the video you have assigned, which is that's the publisher video. And then after doing that, you can do the homework inside MyLab Math once again. And then there are as you go here on the left side of the course content, as you go here, you can see different modules. So as you can see that module 1, 2, 3, and 4, for each of these modules there are module exams. So you need to take those exams. That's what it's given here in the module exam thing. Let's go down. Where is that? Okay, here. MyLab Math module exams. There are 4 modules we are covering in this course, and for each module there are 4 module exams. And so this is the idea. You read the book, you watch the video, publish your video, and then you do the homework, you take the module exam, and finally you take the proctor exam. Proctor exam 1, 2, 3, and proctor final exam. For the proctor exam, you need to use the honor log, and that information about the honor log is given in honor log page or here. Just read that. This is your syllabus and this is your course schedule, what you need to do. So like for example, module 0 week 1, this week you are going to spend in module 0, which is which is about the introduction of the course. And these are the things you need to do, and these are the assignments you need to finish. Next week you start the module 1 week 2, and these are the assignments you need to finish next week. It's in next week you are going to cover section 2.1, 2.2, and 2.3 from the book. So these are the assignments you have to do preparing for section 2.1. I'm going to show you, and then homework assignment from 2.1, and same thing is true for 2.2 and 2.3. And each week you are going to do these assignments, and this is the class schedule you have given, as you can see. And finally, as you can see that this is your grades. So for the first week thing, this is just an introduction, so there is no wait for the grades, but you need to do those assignments. And for MyLab Math prep assignments, there are 30 MyLab Math prep assignments, 1 point each. It gives you 3% of your course grade. Homework assignments, there are 30 of them, 5 points. It gives you 15%. Discussion in D2L, that gives you 1.5%. Scenario, 4 of them. I'm going to drop one of them, and altogether it gives you 4.5%. MyLab Math module exams, there are 4 of them, 15 points each, which is 6% of your course grade. And for the proctor exam 1, 2, and 3, it's a 15% each, and final proctor exam is a 25%. There will be no makeup for any of these assignments, so make sure that you follow the due dates for any assignments you have assigned in this course. Okay, and this is the grade you are going to receive. And just read the syllabus very thoroughly and go to the next page. You have to take the syllabus quiz after reading the syllabus, but before that I want you to print out this thing, assignment due dates. Every single day you need to finish some assignments. For example, August, okay, it should be August 18. There's a mistake here because our first day of the course is August 18. Post introduction on discussion forum, and then after that take the syllabus quiz after reading your syllabus, and then there is an honor log practice exam, you have to take that. And then after that there is an optional MyLab Math assignments and optional calculus readiness test. All these assignments, there is no points. No points means you don't have to worry about the points, but you should know about this kind of thing. Okay, and I'm going to open this thing until the first week, which is August 20. So don't worry about this August 16, 17, 18. It's supposed to start with August 18, but somehow I missed type it. Okay, so these assignments will be available until this Saturday. So make sure to finish this. This is just an introduction. The main thing will start from the next week. Make sense? Just print out this assignment due dates. After that, if you go to the next page, uh, there are some rules about the attendance and course withdrawals. Just read that. Go to the next page. Some more rules. And let me just go back here to show you model 0. Okay, so after that, as I was talking about the honor log for taking the proctor exam. Everything you need to know about the honor log is given here in this folder. So in the same module 0, there is information about the honor log proctoring. Just click that and just go through that information. And this is week 1 thing you have to do. And you can see that there is a syllabus quiz. You have to take the syllabus quiz. In that quiz you have to answer the question from the syllabus. Okay, I just want to make sure that you read the syllabus thoroughly. There is an overview of week 1. If you click that, it will tell you what you need to do in week 1. That's the first week. This week you have to take syllabus quiz, you have to take honor log practice assessment, and you have to introduce yourself in the discussion forum. For that, you just go here, communication, and there is a discussion, and then you will be able to see the discussion forum, introduction discussion forum. Okay, where is that? This one, module 1, discussion 1A. Where is that? No, that's for the discussion 1A. That's not the introduction. So yeah, here, student introduction. So you can just click here and just answer this question and just read the information you have given here. Okay, let's go back to the course content one more time, and let me see. Okay, student introduction, and after that yeah, these are the optional learning material you can also find here. After taking the honor log practice exam, optional MyLab math assignments. These are the optional MyLab math assignments, but I strongly prefer you to go over this assignments. It will help you to prepare for the to be ready for the course. So just click there and then it will take you to the MyLab math. If it's your first time, you have to sign up for the MyLab math and then you have to pay for that. I don't know exactly how much you need to pay, but you can sign up by clicking one of this link here. If I just click that link, it will just take me to this assignment link. Look at here. If it's your first time, you have to go through that sign up process. Okay, and then after that you can do this optional MyLab math assignments. And as I mentioned earlier, for this week, for the first week assignments, there is no, you don't have to worry about the grade. It's just for practice, just to introduce it's just an introduction purpose. Okay, the real thing will start in module 1, the second week. But before that, you can go back, you can just click this student toolbox and it will provide you more information you need. And there is a MyLab math student links. So all the links for the MyLab math, you can find it here. Just click one of the link, and if you don't know, if you are having problem, then you can just click this integration support link and you can find the support. If you just click one of these links, for example MyLab math homework, uh, if you click that, you have to go through the sign up process. Since I am already enrolled in MyLab math, so I don't have to go through this. But if it's your first time, then you have to go through that sign up process, and you also have to pay the pay the fee for this MyLab math. Okay, there is some amount you need to pay. Okay, and then after that, the module 0 will start in week 2. And as you can see that in each module you will see overview of that week. In each week you will find out the introduction about that week, what you are supposed to do here. For example, week 2, there are 3 sections we're going to cover next week, and these are the learning objective and these are the sections. And section 2.1, if you click this link, it will give you the link for your textbook. So by clicking that, you will find the textbook link and you can read the section 2.1 there. Okay. Okay, it's coming here, section 2.1. Yeah, so that's rates of change and tangent lines to the curve. And after that, there are 3 different sections we're covering: section 2.1, 2.2 and 2.3 in week 2. as you can see here. And from these three sections there are 6 assignments you need to finish. Prep section 2.1, homework 2.1. This SW stands for homework. If you click these links here, it will take you to the MyLab math assignments, and it will tell you what to do. For example, the first thing is read this section 2.1. That's a reading thing. Okay, that's section 2.1. And then after that, there is information about this, some more information like secant lines compared to the tangent lines. And then after that, there is a video. You can take it as a lecture video from the publisher. Just click that video. How to do the problem or introduction. Again, another video. And after reading the textbook, watching the video, you can answer the question. These questions I have assigned for you. There are few questions that will prepare you for the section 2.1. And after you finish that prep section assignments, you go back here and do your homework 2.1. Homework 2.1. If you click that, there are homework 1 through 12. You can see you can do this homework. Okay, after that you're all set. So you keep doing every single week. Each week you just go to the each module each week, week 2, week 3, week 4, and do all the assignments. So this is the overview of the week. Preparing for section 2.1. The information is given inside this link, and there is a link you have to click. This is for the reading, this is for the video you have to watch. These are the video from the publisher, and then this is the prep section 2.1 assignments, and this is the link for all the assignments. And each week you have to finish all the assignments here like this. One more thing I would like to mention here, each week I'm going to create instructor video, lecture videos. I'm going to create a video for you. Like for example, for week 1 there is no video because this is just an introduction, and then you have to go through the syllabus quiz and then analog practice thing. So you don't need any video for that. But for week 2 there are 3 sections we are covering: section 2.1, 2.2, and 2.3. So at the beginning of the week, next week, I'm going to create a lecture video from my side for these 3 sections: 2.1, 2.2, and 2.3, and I'm going to put those video here for you. Okay, and then I will announce that thing next week, early next week as well. So there are all the resources available already, like the textbook, publisher video, homework assignments, and then all the assignments you need to do. But if you want to wait for my lecture video, it will be available every single week at the beginning of the week. Okay, and if you want to watch instructor lecture video, I'm going to create that, upload it here for each section, so you can just watch my video and do the assignments. That's up to you. If you have any questions, any confusion, feel free to email me. And as I mentioned earlier, in the syllabus I do have office hour for you. If you want to have a chat with me one-on-one, just use these hours, use this link to connect with me. As I mentioned earlier, you might have to wait in the waiting room for a bit, for a couple of minutes, and then I will let you in. Okay, all the best and welcome to the course one more time.